Today we're going to program a 2017 Hyundai Elantra push to start OBD using the AutoProPad Lite. Let's get started. Let's get started. I need to get me a stand. That's what I need to do. One of those stands to hold this device. So let's get started. We are going to go to the Hyundai. We're going to go to agree to the terms and conditions. We did press on the paddle to wake the car up. And then we're going to go to program. We're going to select that type. Program Smart USA. And this is just a push button, 2017. So we're going to go to type 6. Press the start button. Program Smart. We're going to put in the PIN code which I received from the dealer. Let's retrieve that information. Let's retrieve that information here. Just a second. Let's put that 6 2 6 2 9 7 6 6 vertical. Okay, gave me an error. There it is. Lock, unlock. Let's try to start the vehicle. The vehicle starts up. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.